Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a pie chart or like any other charts you want to on Google Sheets. So to do that, I'm just going to select the chart over here, and I'm just going to select not the title, that's what I meant. So I'm just going to press insert, and then I'm just going to press chart, and then a pie chart will show up. And I'm just going to write change the title to like foods people like, even though I know not a lot of people like sushi, they prefer pizza instead, but sushi tastes good anyways. You can go to chart style, and then you can change like the color and stuff, and also you can add in like this donut hole to the pie chart, and like you can then change like the colors of the slices too, and you can change the chart type over here. As you can see, there's line, area, column, and bar, but I prefer the pie chart. And yeah, you can customize it here. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!